Na every compound for Naija get one wahala landlord and one tenant wey no dey gree. But for number 14 Jollof Street, war don burst between the queen of gbos, Mama Peace, and the king of na my house, Landlord. Who go win dis gbege? Na you go judge. Mama Peace na single mother wey dey sell okrika for Teju market. She dey live for back flat of landlord house. Every evening, like clockwork, she go on her small tiger generator like say na DSTV subscription she dey renew. Landlord don want her tire. Mama Peace, dis compound no be mechanic village o. Dat gen noise fit wake Lazarus from the dead. Mama Peace no send am. Land done abi landlord? No vex. Na you dey hear sound. Your own pikin dey beat drum for inside. You no complain o. My gen na issue. Gbos. Neighbors begin carry chair come front yard. Free drama. The next week, toilet palava start. Water no dey run again. Mama Peace waka go meet landlord. Oga, the soakaway don full. If I flush, e dey greet me back. Landlord squeeze face. Na you and your 3 pikin dey use toilet like pump station. Mama Peace shout, so na because I get children you wan use nyash insult me? She carry evidence. Her pikin with toilet water bucket go area WhatsApp group. Make una see wetin dis landlord dey do single mother o. Drama don go digital. When end of month reach, rent matter come surface like ancestral spirits. London waka go meet Mama Peace. Knock her door gbong gbong gbong. Mama Peace, I hope say you don ready my alert. Mama Peace come out with full chest confidence. I don pay you with spiritual currency. You no see the prayer I send for WhatsApp? Landlord nearly faint. Which kind rent be Psalm 35 versus landlord? Neighbors burst laugh. Hey. One shout, na Mama Peace win dis round o. One morning,
oh my God.
Mama Peace wake up. She see signboard for her window. Tenant wanted. Serious people only. She burst enter landlord apartment. You wan collect back your house? Collect am now. But remember say juju dey dis my room o. Ha! I dey joke o. Na April fool o. Landlord reply. But na August na. Dem call compound meeting. Landlord come with file. Mama Peace come with megaphone. Landlord say, she dey owe me light bill, water bill and noise bill. Mama Peace reply, I no go gree. Dis house na freedom house. Tenant votes. 10 votes for Mama Peace, 2 votes for landlord. 1 vote say make dem marry, make peace reign. Na early morning Mama Peace dey pack load. E shock neighbors. Where you dey go? She smile. I don finally buy my own house. Make landlord no fight himself. Landlord collapse for gutter. Neighbors begin clap. Mama Peace don win. Moral of the story be say, no underrate single mother wey sabi swear, sell okrika and hold WhatsApp receipts. Landlord wey try her go learn humility by force. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.